In this video, I'm going to show the basic features of the SmartBoard 600 series. So this is a 77-inch interactive whiteboard. This board has 4 pens. There's a black pen, a red pen, a green pen, and a blue pen. There's also an eraser in the middle. And this board also has the Hitachi Ultra Short Throw CPA 220N projector. So it's an XGA projector and a projects on a 4.3 aspect ratio screen. This board has the VGA and audio cable connection. This goes to the computer and this goes to the projector. And then in this video, I'm going to show you just basic features of the board. So we're going to go ahead and take the remote control and turn it on. So some boards have either just a projector remote that you can just turn on the projector, or some boards have a panel on the left or right hand of the whiteboard to turn it on. So I'm going to use this Logitech remote, and I'm going to go ahead and turn on SmartBoard. And the projector will turn on and fire up. And then the screen should turn on. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to just show you the basic features of this SmartBoard. So basically, it's a 77-inch board, as I said before. So to get started, we're going to connect the board to the computer. So this is not a dry erase board. It doesn't use dry erase markers or any of that. It's an interactive whiteboard that uses a computer. So it could be a desktop or a laptop. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the next page. And basically, you can connect the board in several different ways. You're going to need a video input to get the computer image onto the display. But that's only going to project the image, right? So that's why we're going to use another cable that's going to provide the touch. So when I can click icons on the screen or I can move windows around, I'm going to need the touch feature. So this board, I'm using a VGA cable. So this is just a standard analog cable that provides video to the computer. You can also use a DVI cable if your projector uses that. And the other cable that's more popular now is an HDMI cable. So with an HDMI cable, that provides high definition video. So if your projector has high definition image on it, you can use this cable, and it also provides sound. So instead of using a regular audio cable to put your sound into your speakers, you can use this cable to provide the video and audio onto the screen. And then of course we need the touch on the board. So we're going to need the USB cable. This side connects to I'm going to pick up a pen, and this side right here connects to the board, and this side goes to the PC. So once you have this cable connected and this cable or this cable, you can go ahead and use your board. It'll provide video and touch to the board. Okay. So another thing is, if the board isn't still working, or maybe you're touching the board and it's in a different, and the touch is happening in another spot of the board, or it's not accurate, you can go ahead and click on the SmartBoard tools. It says blue icon right over here. Just click on that. And I'm just going to bring up the settings so I can see the settings of this board. So this pops up, and just make sure it says Connection Wizard. Mine says the board's working just properly, so there should be a check mark here. But you can go ahead and click the Connection Wizard, and then the board should pop up here. It'll tell you mine's a 600 series board. And then you can orient the board. So calibrating the board is important if you move the projector around or you're just not seeing an accurate touch on the screen. So you can either orient it right here by clicking this. You can go ahead on the toolbars right down here and click Orient right here. Or you can just click the mouse, the right click and the keyboard button at the same time. And the screen will pop up with this display on the screen. So just press the center target and release. So you can use your finger or you can use your pen. I'm going to use a pen so it's more accurate. So I'm going to touch outside and release in the center of the target. So I'm going to do this until it's completed. And you can change these targets. You can have 4, 9, 20, and I think more targets you can have, and then press the last one, and then it's done. So here I can just simply pick up a pen and write notes. Alright, so this is just the basic features of the board. I'm going to make more videos on Smart Notebook, which is the software for the smartboard, and other pen tools and how you can use the board in a business or an educational setting. So thank you for watching the video.